everyone, we're here for Maker Monday and we're celebrating FIFA Women's World Cup at the library. We've got a great display and today we're going to make a recycled items foosball table. Let's get started. Okay, we've got our equipment ready. We've got a cardboard box, a ruler, a pen, some straws, some pegs, some clay, or you could use Play-Doh, and we've got some scissors here, and we've improvised with our ball and just screwed up a piece of paper, but you could use foil or a ping pong ball. And we've got our green grass to pop on the bottom as well. Okay, so our first step will be to make our goals, and what I've done is I've just centered them in the middle and I've done some rough calculations. I've got 22 centimeters, so I've split that up and just gone for the middle and done that on the same side, on the other side. And you can mark it with your ruler. You may need help from an adult to cut this one out. Depends what you've got at home, but you can just use scissors and pop this one through here and start cutting. And yep, so we've got our goal here. And then we need to poke some holes in the sides here. Yep, poke our holes in. And so we'll need 4 little spots here. I've marked them out already. Okay, so we've got our straws here. We're going to pop them through our holes on the ends. And then we're going to pop our little players in. And you can cut out some little cardboard rectangles here and draw some players if you want to personalize your team. And then we're just going to pop some clay on the handles here so you can turn them. You don't necessarily have to do that because you can still spin them nicely. Okay. We've got our backs and goalies ready to go. Okay, and you want to alternate your colours because each player will use every second turn. And we're just gonna pop our grass in the bottom here, which I've measured out. You can decorate your box and you can put in the markings for the soccer field. You could even put some little nets on the back of your goals here if you like. We'll just pop the rest of our clay on. Okay guys, I'm just going to explain how we play foosball while I'm waiting for my opponent. So we've got Matildas and Ireland playing today, and the Matildas are going to be the yellow straws, Ireland's going to be the green. We've got our soccer ball, we'll pop it in the middle, and once my opponent gets here, we'll play and show you how to win. Okay, I've got Michelle here, my opponent.
Hello.
And we're going to get into it. Let's see who can win the battle. All right. Okay, there we have it, our own foosball table. Come and check out our FIFA World Cup display at the library, and I hope you have time to make your own.